The SKYVI Pergola from Octoplast is a wonderful offering for anybody's exterior applications, whether it's a rooftop access on a building to a back patio for your residential home. It is a fully automated system, being that the pergola fans can actually rotate from 0 to 135 degrees. You have automatic screens that can close on all three sides, giving you a 4-season room. You can also have fixed glass, sliding doors. You can totally enclose this and make it a really nice space in the winter as well. These pergolas are able to achieve dimensions of 16 feet wide, 24 feet long, and 10 feet tall. They're able to withstand winds up to 68 miles an hour and can hold snow loads of about 40 pounds per square foot. One of the key features about this is the water management system. All of the water is directed towards these exterior posts, and it can be either expelled out at the bottom, or you can have your plumbing run to it through the yard and take that water to another location on the property.